If you're still flipping through earnings reports, charts, and news for stocks one by one, the real problem might not be lack of information, but rather that screening is too slow. Today, I'll use Pineify AI Stock Picker to narrow down a large universe into candidates worth a closer look within 5 minutes. First, let's open the Pineify.app website and go to the AI Stock Picker page. This tool isn't meant to have AI place trades for you, but to quickly narrow your research. Pineify combines fundamentals, technical indicators, and market sentiment to generate an AI score from 1 to 10 for each stock. A higher score means stronger consistency across the current data. The coverage and update time depend on the page as of the recording date. Once on the page, we can browse different stock lists like popular, growth, or dividend. Unlike a typical screener that just spits out a bunch of results, here you can first use the AI score to see which stocks are worth prioritizing. Usually, I start with stocks scoring above 7, but I never make a decision based on just one score. Next, I refine further according to my own strategy. We can filter by country and also select multiple fields here to sort. This way, we're not blindly searching the whole market, but comparing candidates that make sense from a trading logic perspective. Now, let's open one of these stocks. First, check the company overview, price action, volume, and key market data. Then use the TradingView chart to see trends, support and resistance, and alignment across timeframes. Here, we can also see that indicators can be selected. You can choose indicators that interest you. If you trade options, you can view the full options chain directly, including bid and ask quotes, implied volatility, open interest, as well as delta, gamma, theta, and vega. This data helps us gauge how much premium the market is pricing for volatility rather than just watching the stock's direction. In options intelligence, you can also see max pain, put, call ratio, and unusual options activity. Our expected move displays expected price ranges for different expiration dates based on implied volatility, making it easy to see if target prices are already beyond what the market is pricing in. After technical confirmation, we check the fundamentals. Pineify aggregates long-term financial statements, growth trends, profit margins, and financial health scores. You can also view analysts' buy, hold, sell consensus, and target price ranges. The key is to confirm whether the different data supports the same conclusion. Finally, we review historical performance, comparisons to the S&P 500, dividends, and earnings history. Then quickly scan the latest news and market sentiment. If AI scores, price trends, fundamentals, and market expectations conflict, this stock needs more research, not a rushed trade. The entire process can be summarized in 5 steps. First, look at the scores, then set filters, check charts and options data, verify with financials, analyst views, and news. And finally, decide whether to add it to your watch list. You can try Pineify AI Stock Picker through the link in the video description.